Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am. You probably can hear the excitement in my voice. For those of you that just have come onto my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already followed me, that are already subscribed, thank you sincerely for that continued support. I really do appreciate it. So anyway, let me cut to the chase. I'm shooting this quick video because for those of you that have already followed me and are already familiar with my channel, you will know that I've basically set myself a massive challenge of generating £3,000 in just 31 days. Now, what I've done because of that is that I've basically explored, investigated, researched various different ways of generating income online, because one of the caveats I've set myself as part of this challenge is to make sure that any money I make needs to be done online. So in addition to all the various different ways that I'm generating money online at the moment, and for those of you that want to know exactly what that is, make sure you check out the other videos on my channel, because it gives you some information on exactly what those methods are, and I'll also put a link down in the description below, so make sure you check those out. But one of the methods that I'm using to generate money online is by offering my services as a freelancer. For those of you that know me, I'm actually a learning and development coach, trainer, speaker, whatever you want to call it, that's me. But yeah, I've basically registered onto this website, and that website is called People Per Hour. Again, I'll put that link down in the description. All I did was basically register my services. Takes about 15-20 minutes to create a profile, and then yeah, I had someone contact me saying they would be interested in my services. So you know, we organized a call, we discussed exactly his requirements, what he needed done, and then we discussed what I could deliver, and then yeah, if all goes well and he likes what I produce, then potentially this job is going to be worth, are you ready for it, £3,700 for just 10 days worth of work. Can you believe that? Now, this is still in the scoping stage. I still need to send him some examples of my work, but if everything goes to plan and he likes everything, then potentially that is a paid job that will basically help me smash my target out of the water. So fingers crossed that this does happen, and if it does, I will make sure that I will update you guys. But yeah guys, very exciting, and like I said, it just goes to show that, you know, with a little creativity, with a little time and some research, you can definitely make good money online, and being a freelancer is just one of those ways of doing that. So yeah guys, if you haven't already, make sure check that website out. They're called peopleperhour.com. Register your details, doesn't take more than 30 minutes, and you could potentially be making some good money. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you did like this video, then make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to keep up to date with all the videos that I put out there, and you want to keep an eye on my challenge, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications button, so that every time I put a video out there, you will be notified as and when it happens. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you have a wicked day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care.